Today's Honorable Chief Guest, Sister Catherine Gonsalves, Headmistress, Sister Nita Pereira, PU College and DL College, Principal, Sister Shobha, School Principal, Sister Mary, Supervisor, Sister Effie, sisters, parents, and my little beautiful rainbows. Today we will not call them flowers, but today they are rainbows. I want just to appreciate. I start only with the children. You can imagine what the child can be. All of us have witnessed today. And these are the rainbows, God-given gifts to each one of you, dear parents. When does the rainbow takes place? When rain has come, little subsiding, and when the sunshine comes, sunshine and the little drops of rain merges together, the rainbow is formed, and rainbow gives joy not only to the nature but anyone who notices it. And that is what has happened between father and mother, and this rainbow has appeared in your families. So thank you very much, dear students. Past whole month I am noticing. By now I know the more or less musics. The way the children have been practicing systematically. Their times are set. Their tiffin are served in time. They're taken in and out, getting aware of the situation where they will be acting. And all that has merged within these children. So congratulations to you, dear little ones, little rainbows. Then I come to you, dear parents, your collaboration. I can see the way you all are attending the function. I can see the love which you pour into this very rainbow and the collaboration which you give to the management. Sister calls and you are there. Teachers call and you are there. That is the way to make the children to bloom and grow. Congratulations to you, dear parents. Thank you very much. And there is lots to do with the grandparents. I can see plenty of grandparents are there. Aji, आजोबा पण आलेले आहेत. कारण ज्या वेळेला तरुण आई वडील कामाला जातात त्यावेळेला त्यांना कोण बघतं? भरवायचं असतं, द्यायचं असतं, घ्यायचं असतं. आजी आजोबा has lots to give, especially of our culture. आपली संस्कृती तुम्ही आजी आजोबा त्यांना देऊ शकता, तर तुमचं प्रत्येकाचं अभिनंदन. Then we have the bigger rainbows in our kindergarten, and those are my every dear teachers. The labor, the love, the concern, feeding children, sometimes even cleaning them, all that is done by these teachers. They are really the second mothers in our kindergarten. Thank you, dear teachers, and God bless you. Continue doing the same. Every institution, school needs a backbone, a ringmaster. Can you guess who? Louder, parents, come on, you know her very well. Headmistress, what is her name? Sister Nita. There is no place she has not reached to. The practices, writing out, guiding, getting the practice, getting things, she saw that everything is in its own place. Thank you, Sister Nita, for your dedicated and commitment. 2-3 days I have been worried whether she will arrive today at the stage. Because last year one case happened, so this year I said I was wondering it will. Then I said nothing doing last night. I sent her very early to sleep so that she is there today. So thank you, congratulations, and we are grateful the love which you have for the little ones. So once again, thank you for your presence, dear parents. Continue. This is your future. This is your stars. You have a dream and we bless your dream. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, dear sister. It's my privilege to invite the most honorable personality of this evening, Sister Catherine Gonsalves. She has come all the way from Mumbai to step upon the floor. Over to you, sister.
Respected Manager, Sister Natalia De Mello, Principal, Sister Nita Pereira, my dear sisters, teachers, parents, and dear students. As I watched the program, I felt privileged to be present for the annual day of St. Joseph's Kindergarten School. I enjoyed every moment. Joy filled my heart to see our little children performing their role so well. Their smiling faces, eager to learn, to grow, and to explore. A sense of wonder, a sense of curiosity, a sense of joy. And I must say, it has been truly a heartwarming sight. Girl Child, a rainbow of hope. Girl Child, a rainbow of hope. This theme is not only colorful and vibrant, but also deeply meaningful. A rainbow, as we know, is a symbol of hope and promise. It reminds us that after every storm, there is sunshine. And that is precisely what we see in these young girls, a ray of sunshine that brightens up our world. The girl child is indeed a rainbow of hope. She embodies the spirit of resilience, adaptability, and courage. She shines bright with the promise of brighter future. That is seen in the life of Saint Magdalene of Canossa, the foundress of Canossian Sisters and Fathers. A woman who was rejected by her parents because she was a second child, girl child, and the Canossa family wanted a boy. Saint Magdalene of Canossa, our foundress who started our institute in 1808, said, "The heart of education is education of the heart." Thus, our education style is formation of heart. Along with academics, we focus on overall formation of child, namely to build character, to cultivate human values and build confidence in children to face life. Dear parents, it is here that we urge you to develop a strong link between home and school. Teach your children to cultivate honesty, generosity, kindness, respect for elders, and respect for people of all walks of life. To live in harmony with people of all faiths. Children are innocent. They are pure in heart. What we cultivate in them today is what they will live tomorrow. Childhood is the foundation stone upon which stands the whole life structure. As the seed sown in childhood blooms into tree of life, education which is imparted in childhood at every stage of development of heart and mind is more important than the education that is imparted in college and in universities. So whatever seed we sow in their heart and mind will grow and bear fruit. Good seeds will bear good fruits. Your child is a beloved gift of God to you, irrespective of gender. Take care of this beautiful gift that God has given to you. Spend time with your child and help them to grow as peaceful, loving and happy person. To you parents, I would like to say that you are the pillars of strength for your children. Your love, support and encouragement means the world to them. Keep nurturing them, guiding them and believing in them. Be an inspiration, a role model to your children. Motivate them to work hard with determination and never give up. Encourage them to be positive and never to compromise. All these values put together can lead us to a better future and better world. As a society, we must come together to support, empower and uplift girl child. We must provide her with access to quality education, health and economic opportunities, not only for our own girls, our own children, but also to the underprivileged and deprived girl child. We must care and create a safe, inclusive and supportive environment that allows her to thrive and reach her full potential. To you, dear students, I would like to say that you are the future leaders, innovators and change makers. You have the power to create, to imagine and to inspire. Never lose sight of your dream. Never give up on your aspiration and never stop believing in yourself. In the words of Nelson Mandela, the greatest glory in living lies not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. I repeat, the greatest glory in living lies not in never failing, but rising every time we fall. As we conclude this celebration, I would like to leave you with a quote of Malala Yousafzai, who said, "One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world." I repeat again, one child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. May these young minds continue to shine. May they continue to inspire. May they continue to be rainbow of hope that the world so desperately needs. Thank you and congratulations to everyone involved in this annual day. It's a resounding success. God bless you, each one of you, dear.
Thank you, dear sister, for that beautiful message. I kindly request Sister Nita to lead our dignitaries back to their seats.